Today is a marvelous day. Today, my computer finally came. I'm in college, my freshman year of college. I happen to start it online, and I've been doing all my work for the past 4 weeks on this dingy old family iPad. It's so freaking slow. My computer has finally come. I ordered this August 15th. It's September 14th today, and it's hot off the truck. Like I just got it off of the front little pad. Yeah. I understand though, because it said it was gonna come between September 6th and 16th. No, September 9th through 16th when I ordered it. But I didn't think, I thought that was just like an ultimatum type thing. Like that's the latest it's gonna come. But I think I talked to somebody from Apple, and she said in short terms, basically it's back to school season. Everybody's online. They had a shortage of this type of computer, this certain computer. This is the MacBook Pro 2020. This is the cheapest one, meaning it only has 250 gigs, and it was about, for retail, I think it retails $199. So basically $1,200. I got the little education thing, so I got a free pair of AirPods, which came like those came August 18th, and it was a bunch of other deals, like a pro apps deal, all that stuff for $200, but I just needed a computer. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're here! MacBook Pro. We have! Is there anything else in the box? I was expecting a little, $100 gift card, since this took a freaking month, but they said it was, so. This is what the computer looks like. It's quite heavy. This is what the box looks like. Really pretty. This is MacBook Pro 13-inch, or 13-inch MacBook Pro. That is the official name for it. This particular one is 8 gigabytes of the 256 gigabytes of SSD, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, which I'm going to unbox something else for that. I have a little USB SD card reader for the Thunderbolts. Anyway, I got space gray. You see it. Apple, MacBook Pro. Let's get into it! I've never had a computer like this before. Oh my gosh. Okay, it has a little tab. Why is this so heavy? I knew that was gonna happen. We take the top off. I'll take the top off. We've got the pretty little MacBook Pro right here. Like I said, I got the 13-inch one. They do have a 16-inch. Little tab to pull it up from. I'm gonna get back to her in a second. Ooh, she is so cute! I have a computer! Let me stop yelling. Let's look at what's in the box. So we have a hair. That's definitely mine. Designed by Apple in California. I'm expecting Apple stickers. Wait, and they're space gray. Nobody told me about this. Space gray Apple stickers. These are too cute. Alright, yeah, it just comes with the Apple stickers and very small how-to guide. Navigating the touch bar, which that's what I'm excited about. I've never had one of those. At my old high school, not the one I graduated from, but another one I went to, we had MacBook Airs, like the basic MacBook Air. That's even cheaper than this. And yeah, so I'm not used to touch bar. Go back inside. Thank you. Under the little pamphlet is the adapter. And we've got our Thunderbolt Charger, which this is another different thing from the MacBook Air. Sorry, I'm comparing it to the MacBook Air because that's all I have to compare it to. I know with those, it had like a magnetic charger. So that, I don't think that's what this is though. Let's get into this computer. I'm scared to even unwrap it because I should have got a case. Damn. Let's open it. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. This is really nice. It's turning on. This is really nice. The keyboard looks so sleek. And they took away basically everything. So it's really just these two. But I have an adapter, so I'm not worried. These little Thunderbolt ports and then a headphone jack. Stop. Let's set it up. English. I can't believe this is
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, audio. Oh, return. I'm stupid. She literally said what to do and I wasn't following. Oh, I gotta set up my country. I am unfortunately, in the United States of America. Oh, let me set up my Wi-Fi. The touch bar is on. Dang, I didn't know this was this many Wi-Fis around here. I honestly forgot the password. I think it's, oh yeah, I gotta go downstairs. The Wi-Fi is taking a second to connect, so. Apple, okay, it's here now, but one thing I can appreciate about Apple, they're very intricate, with everything. Just gorgeous, just really gorgeous. I guess it doesn't matter which side you plug up since it's both the same. I do not want to transfer any information. I want this to be a brand new Mac, honey. Unfortunately, I would like to make a new Apple ID because I want this to be a whole new girl. Like, I don't want her associated with any pictures, videos. I want this to be a whole new thing. But I think when they, if I do create a new Apple ID, let me see what will happen. I feel like they're going to ask me for my phone number and they're going to be like, that phone number is already being used with my actual Apple ID. They're asking me for my birthday. Mine. And just hope and pray that they give me the option not to have none of that stuff on there. If they do, and all my stuff goes on there, I'm resetting the computer. You just sent me a code. Like I said, I haven't dealt with a Mac since 11th grade. Oh shoot, iCloud. This is what I was scared about. It says setting up account. It better not put my stuff on here. I do not want it on here, Apple. I will be resetting this computer if they do that. So I just got done setting up my Mac. It only took probably like 5-7 minutes. It's here, she's here, and she's very pretty and cute. There was an option that says like store anything you put on your desktop to your iCloud, store photos from iCloud, and I said no, no, no. So I think if my calculations are correct, photos, get started. At this moment, I knew it didn't work. We restarting. We are restarting. We are restarting. That's me unboxing the brand new 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I'm gonna write 2 essays that are due this week that have to be submitted through Microsoft Word. And my school gave us like Microsoft apps and I couldn't access them through this iPad. That's the end of this unboxing. She's so cute. I gotta name her. I name everything I'm grateful for.